All right, so with this first one, I don't know why that keeps doing that. There we go. Where I think they want you to graph the function. So x cubed looks something like this. So this is f of x equals x cubed. And then you have the point 1, 1. I'm just going to lamely put that right there. And then they just want you to put another point somewhere on that curve. I'm just going to put it to the right. And then here's a secant line connecting those dots. But then what they want you to do is do a limit definition. 1 as x approaches the a value. Well, in this case, it's that 1. And then what you're supposed to do is f of x minus f of a. Well, the a value is 1 over x minus the a value of 1. And you can clean this up a little bit just by